we got a package. So I just got home from work. I'm so tired. And if you guys just recently saw the video, I literally just posted it today that I broke my Apple Watch. And yeah, you can just check out that video. I literally posted it a few hours ago as of recording this. And I told you guys I ordered an Apple Watch SE. It just came in while I was at work. Literally, I think the guy dropped it off about half an hour ago. And I just got home like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. So this is the Apple Watch SE 44 millimeters. I basically bought it. Well, I was gonna buy this one anyway, considering that Apple dropped support with for the Apple Watch Series 3 with watchOS 9. And yeah, I blurred off my address and all that, so I don't have to do any editing. But let's go ahead and open this guy up. Oh, there's like two pieces of tape here. That's great. I'm just gonna use my box cutter that I got at work last year at the same place and all that. Got it. Now let's take a look in here. Alright, so very little box. What the hell? Oh, nice presentation here. They packed it in some bubble wrap. Alright, let's zoom out real quick. Okay, let's open it up. Is this really a way to package an Apple Watch in a bag? No, I'm just kidding. I'm messing around. So they gave me a free charger. Nice, thank you for that. Some bands, which are they officially Apple branded? I'm not sure. And here's the watch itself. This is it. This is the Apple Watch SE from 2020. Wow. Ooh, it's very shiny on the back. So this is all glass on the back compared to aluminum. Wow, it looks so clean compared to the Series 3. You have more screen size too, so it's bigger. So that's why it's 44 millimeter. I'm gonna try these Vans on it because these are the ones I use for my Series 3. But apparently everyone's saying that the Series 3, that the 42 millimeter watch bands also work for the Series 3 as well, or for any 44 millimeter watch. I think this was the way it went, right? I hope I'm doing this right. Or I'm not even sure. Okay, it's clipping in on nice. Okay, it's sort of coming in there. Okay, it actually does fit. And then let's do the other side. I'm gonna have to do it the other way probably. There we go. Ooh, it's a perfect fit. Nice. So they were right. 42 millimeter bands do fit on 44 millimeter watches. Let's turn her on. And nice. This is pretty cool. So now I have a much more modern Apple Watch, and I only got this 4 days after I broke the other one. So this guy got it here pretty fast, and I do believe that the label said priority 2-day shipping. And my screen protectors aren't here yet for some reason. So they were coming all the way from Austin, and I live like 200 miles from Austin. But for some reason they sent it to Detroit. Oh, low battery. Oh, that's just great. I kind of had a feeling they were going to ship it to me dead, so let's just go ahead and charge it. All right, and I still have this fake Anker battery. I don't think it's even charging, is it? Nope, this port is broken now too. It's a fake Chinese clone, doesn't even last. But let's go ahead and put this thing on the charger. I was about to put it the other way around. Let's put it on the charger. Low battery? Bro, it's not even a low battery. What do you mean? If I take it off, what happens? Low battery? Bro, what? Oh, my freaking wireless charger's acting up. What do you mean low battery? It's not even... Never mind. Apple Watches can be stupid sometimes. But it looks like it's already letting me pair it, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I just had to press a few keys. Now let's click start pairing. Ooh, that is very nice. I think that's how I set up my Series 3. But let's go ahead and get this guy set up. So let's click start pairing, set up for myself. We're gonna put this out there. There we go. A software update is available for this Apple Watch. Yes, so it's gonna go ahead and update it. I don't even know what version of watchOS it's on. And there we go. As you can see, it shows what it shows on the back. 44 aluminum case, Apple. Oh, designed by Apple in California. That's what it says. Alright, so, and we're gonna do the software update. It looks like it's stuck. I don't know. I haven't actually reset my Series 3 in a very long time, so I don't remember exactly how this went. It would usually always tell me. It would always just it would stay on the version it was. Oh, there we go. Activating Apple Watch. This may take a few minutes. I don't know how long exactly it's going to take, but we'll wait. Okay, there we go. So it's this WatchOS 8.6. This is the one my watch was on because I remember it had the support for irregular heart rhythm notifications in Mexico, and I got this update while I was in Mexico. So downloading to watch. So this might take a little while. 1.2 gigabytes, and I don't know if I'll look at the little crown. I'm not gonna take it off to show it. But the listing on eBay had the red crown, meaning this is a cellular model, so it has like 32 gigs of storage, compared to my Series 3, which only had like 8 gigs, or I think it was 16 gigs. No, it was 8 gigs. So this is a big upgrade, a considerable upgrade. So this is gonna take a little while. So I guess I'll be right back. I'm gonna shower because I feel disgusting. I just gotta work, and I'm gonna let this update. Okay, it's way later. It's like 6 o'clock now, and the Apple Watch finally got done doing the software update. So it's gonna let me restore from backup. Let's see which one. Okay, so it did get it, the one from Friday. So let's do that one, and that's the one that I'll be doing. Even older backups from last May. There's one of May 28 of 2021. So connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Yes, I know. It feels weird getting a new watch. I was kind of used to the other one, but I mean, I don't know. I've just kind of been at work without my watch, and like last year, when I was working there, I just kind of kept looking at the time through my watch and checking my notifications. So I kind of had to pull out my phone for that one sometimes. Now I can actually, now tomorrow I'll be able to use my watch. So it's gonna take a little bit. Shared settings, yes, I know. And it's probably about to show. So I think if I remember correctly, it does show like some personal information. So if it does, I'm about to blur that out. Oh, okay, both text and size. Yeah, that's all good. Don't add a passcode. I don't use a passcode on my watch. Yes, continue. Emergency, yes. Okay, thank you. Set up cellular. Oh, that's right, because this thing has a add your Apple Watch to your existing. Oh, yeah, never mind. Hold on, I'll be right back. Actually, on second thought, I think I'll maybe do that a little later. App view, we do grid view. Apple Watch is syncing. So it says, it's going on right there. It says you can use your iPhone as you normally would. So it's gonna take a while. And setting up cellular, I wonder how I'm gonna do that. I think I have to connect it to my T-Mobile account. It's a separate data plan. I have no clue. That's probably what it is, but whatever. I usually just have my phone next to me anyway, so as long as my phone is next to it, as long as I have service, the watch will detect the internet and it'll be all good. So let's have to wait a little while. So yes, or I don't know. I did a little circle move fast. I don't know what's going on. It says I'll get an alert when it's done. So I guess for now I'll be right back. It looks like my watch is finished setting up. Not now. Wow. Okay. So they actually here. Let me. I can't rename it. But okay, it looks like it actually got it all set up with all my watch faces and everything. Let's look at it now. Wow, okay, they actually did. Wow, holy shit. That looks so different compared to the Series 3. I'm telling you, there is like more screen space. Oh my god. That is huge. Oh, that is freaking huge. That's okay, for some reason I still feel I feel like tactic. Oh my god, it's way faster too. Yeah, okay. I need to figure out how to adjust the cause you can feel like a bit of a haptic. There we go, haptic. So just for whenever I do have this thing on. No, what is it? Crown haptics and system haptics. Yeah, and there we go. We got it from there. Yeah, it looks so much different now. Let's go back to the home OS, and now let's try the watch on and see how it fits. It feels pretty nice. Kind of feels the same as the Series 3, but this is so much newer, and it's really cool. It's really wow. It just looks so weird with the rounded screen because I got so used to the more squarish one with the bezels on the Series 3. It's gonna take me a little while to get used to it, but it fits nice, and the watch bands especially, I'm glad they fit on this one because I was kind of nervous, but it looks like they do fit, and it's a good match. And I guess that's the end of this video, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So just to show you a small unboxing and a quick setup of my new Apple Watch SE. I like it so far, And yeah, let's see. Now it's gonna be once I'm at work tomorrow and I start using it more. And I look at the things on my wrist. I haven't worn an Apple Watch in days, so it kind of feels a little weird. But and especially with the new design again, I'll get used to it quickly though. Now I still have to return my Anker battery pack, which this thing is not even charging. It's been stuck at 1 bar for 2 hours. I don't think it charges anymore, and that's how you know it's a cheap Chinese knockoff. My friend showed me his. His had text on the bottom, but it had like way more things in it, and mine just shows like it shows like only a few text that gives it away, like it screams China, you know, that it's fake. So I'm gonna return that probably Saturday. That's the only free day I have, or the post office is open, and then I'm gonna get another one, and hopefully it's a genuine one. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.